Here is a comprehensive and detailed breakdown of Illuvium, ILV, the cryptocurrency powering a highly anticipated blockchain-based RPG and auto-battler game. Illuvium, ILV, is the governance and utility token for the Illuvium universe, a collection of interoperable blockchain games built on the Ethereum network. Illuvium aims to be a AAA-quality game that rivals traditional video games in graphics and gameplay, while integrating the benefits of blockchain technology, such as true ownership of assets, NFTs, and a decentralized community governance model. It's not just a simple game token, it's designed to be the economic and governance backbone of an entire gaming ecosystem. The project addresses several key issues in both gaming and crypto: low quality of blockchain games. Many play-to-earn games prioritize earning mechanics over fun, resulting in poor graphics and shallow gameplay. Illuvium aims to prove that a blockchain game can be visually stunning and genuinely fun to play. Extractive economies. Many crypto games have unsustainable tokenomics where the primary incentive is to extract value, leading to inflation and collapse. Illuvium's dual token model is designed for long-term sustainability. Lack of true ownership in traditional games. Gamers spend money and time on in-game items they never truly own and can't trade freely. Illuvium makes all core assets, characters, items, land, into ownable, tradable NFTs. Centralized game development. Decisions in traditional games are made solely by the developer. Illuvium gives a voice to its community through the ILV token. Illuvium is not a single game but an interoperable universe of several games. Illuvium 0, a mobile/base building game where you manage a plot of land to gather resources that fuel the broader economy. Illuvium Arena, the flagship auto-battler game where players capture illuvial creatures, NFTs, and battle them in a style similar to popular auto-battlers. Illuvium Beyond, a collection of profile pictures, PFP, illuvials that can be used across the ecosystem. Illuvium Overworld, an open-world exploration RPG, the core experience for capturing illuvials. Illuvium uses a sophisticated two-token model to separate governance and value accrual from in-game currency, ensuring economic stability. 1. ILV token, the core asset. Type, ERC20 on Ethereum. Primary purpose, governance and value accrual. Utility, staking and rewards. Users can stake ILV to earn yield. This yield is paid out in a combination of ILV and sILV, see below. The rewards come from in-game revenue, a portion of all in-game purchases and fees. Governance. ILV stakers can vote on key decisions regarding game development, tokenomics, and the future of the Illuvium DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. This gives the community direct control. In-game purchases. ILV can be used for high-value purchases within the game, such as buying premium NFTs or land plots. 2. sILV, in-game currency. Type, a synthetic currency earned exclusively by staking ILV. Primary purpose, in-game currency that is not tradable on the open market. Utility, used for various in-game transactions like fuel for expeditions, crafting, and other utilities. This prevents sell pressure on the main ILV token from routine gameplay actions. The ILV token is designed to capture the value of the entire Illuvium ecosystem. 1. Governance rights. ILV holders guide the project's future through the Illuvium DO. 2. Revenue share, the most significant utility. A share of 100% of the in-game revenue, from marketplace fees and other purchases, is used to buy back ILV tokens from the open market. These bought-back tokens are then distributed to those who are staking ILV. This directly links the success and usage of the games to the value of the ILV token. 3. Staking rewards. Stakers earn a yield generated from the revenue share model and from new emissions. 4. In-game currency, used for major purchases, tying its utility directly to the game's economy. Token name, Illuvium ticker, ILV network, Ethereum, ERC20. Total supply, 10 million ILV, 10 million. This is a fixed, hard cap. Circulating supply. As of early 2024, it's approximately 7.5 million ILV. Inflation emissions, new ILV is emitted as staking rewards. However, the buyback and burn mechanism from revenue counteracts this inflation, aiming to make the token deflationary under high usage. Initial allocation, 10 million tokens. Seed and public sale, 20% treasury, community and development, 30%, vested over 3 years. Team 15%, vested over 3 years. Staking rewards, 35%, released over 3 years. Founders Kieran Warwick, lead brother of Kane Warwick, founder of Synthetics. This connection to the DeFi mafia provided significant early credibility and support. Aaron Warwick, advisor. Investors, backed by major players in the crypto space including Framework Ventures, IOSG Ventures, and LD Capital. History, 2020, project founded. 2021, conducted a balancer LBP, liquidity bootstrapping pool to distribute tokens fairly. 2021 to 2023, heavy development and funding with multiple game betas released. 2024, full launch of the Illuvium game suite is highly anticipated. Buy. ILV is a major gaming token listed on top-tier centralized exchanges, CEXs, like Binance, Crypto.com, OKX, and Gate.io. Store, hardware wallets, Ledger or Trezor, most secure. Software wallets, MetaMask, essential for interacting with the Illuvium staking dashboard in future games. The Illuvium staking dashboard, the official platform for staking ILV and claiming rewards. AAA-quality aspirations. The graphics and gameplay trailers showcase a level of polish unseen in most blockchain games, potentially attracting traditional gamers. Sustainable tokenomics, the dual token model, ILV, sILV, and revenue share mechanism are carefully designed for long-term health. Strong backing and team, connected to established DeFi projects and has experienced leadership. Full ecosystem. The multi-game approach creates a more immersive universe and multiple revenue streams. Strong community governance, the DO model empowers dedicated players and investors. Execution risk, the biggest risk. The game must deliver on its incredibly high graphical and gameplay promises. Any delay or failure to meet expectations could significantly impact the token's value. Intense competition, the blockchain gaming sector is fiercely competitive. For example, Axie Infinity, Gods Unchained, Sandbox. Adoption hurdle. Attracting traditional gamers who are often skeptical of NFTs and crypto is a significant challenge. Regulatory uncertainty. The classification of ILV as a security could be a risk due to its revenue-sharing model. Market volatility. The token's price is heavily dependent on hype and broader crypto market cycles, especially before the full game launch. Illuvium, ILV, is one of the most ambitious projects in the blockchain gaming space. It aims to be the first to successfully merge AAA-quality production with a sustainable, community-owned economy. Its value proposition is simple. If the games are successful and attract a large player base, the revenue generated will flow back to ILV stakers, creating a powerful value accrual mechanism. However, it is a high-risk, high-reward bet, entirely dependent on the successful execution and mass adoption of its games. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. The blockchain gaming market is highly volatile and speculative. Always do your own research, DIY&RELAX, and understand the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency.